Alright, today we're going to be unboxing a package from Axis Drones. I believe it's their newest nano quadcopter that actually hasn't been released yet, but you can pre-order it. I'm not too sure, but I don't believe this is going to be the final packaging. There we go. So I don't believe this is going to be the finalized packaging, but this is the new world's smallest drone, or quadcopter. And it looks like right here we've got a little brochure sort of flyer thingy about the summer 2015 product lineup. This is the drone, which I believe is inside here. It's the Axis Aerius drone. It's the new world's smallest quadcopter, and you can see the dimensions are 3 centimeters by 3 centimeters by 2 centimeters, and that is quite a bit smaller than the previous world's smallest drone. Look at the actual world's smallest drone. Wow, that looks really nice. Turbo X, it says right on the front. Maybe this is the final packaging, I'm not actually sure. But you can pre-order this, I believe. Oh, wait a second. Whoa! Alright, so this is, I got this mistaken. You can look right here. Down here, the Axis Turbo X drone was the world's smallest drone for a while. So they actually sent one of these too. It's the green color, it looks like, right there. So this was the world's smallest. But then, so this has actually already been released. I was incorrect about that. But then we've got this, which is the world's smallest drone, which does not have its finalized packaging yet. You can see right there. So it's still in the production. So this is pretty cool. We're gonna open this brand new world's smallest drone for the first time on YouTube. We'll set this one aside right now. That's pretty sweet. So the Axis Aerius drone. That is absolutely tiny. Can you see here on my hands right here? That is how big it is. It fits inside the controller, which is sweet. Let's see, how are we gonna open this? So, once again, I said this is not the finalized packaging. This looks like the finished, or what the product is going to be when you buy it. Oh, there we go. So I believe this is the finalized product, but the packaging will change. Alright, so we got a little space holder, and there it is right there. It fits just in the palm of your hand, just like that. Wow, do you see how small this is? I believe it takes 2 AAA, if I'm not mistaken. So, we're actually gonna pop in 2 AAA batteries and give this guy a test run. In the bottom here, it's got like a manual, and so this is the new world's smallest quadcopter. So right there, ages 14 plus. We'll see about that. I believe this one also is 14 plus, and I've flown one similar to this, and I would say if you're 12 or 11, you could definitely fly it, because they're pretty, I don't know, you can crash them a lot of times, as I've done before. But here is the manual. It looks pretty thorough. Gives you a nice directions on what you need to do. It also shows you their website, which is axisdrones.com. Then we've also got a USB charging cable on the bottom and 4 extra props, which are super tiny. Those are tiny props. I don't know if you can really see those. They're so small. This is awesome. So why don't we charge this little drone, put some batteries in the controller. Look at these little propellers. I mean, that is seriously tiny. I can like barely even hold it in my hand. So we're gonna charge up the drone, put some batteries in the controller. Let's see, how do we just pull this up, I believe. If you have to push in a little bit right here, and it pulls it up. And then we've got the drone situated. Oh my goodness, that is small. I've never flown something this small. You can see it's a little bit like wider, a little bit taller, I guess I would say, than their other drones here. Well, actually, it's probably the same like height, but it's so much smaller. It looks like it stands up a little bit more, but wow, we're definitely gonna need to give this a quick test flight. Let's go! Alright, so from just that quick little test flight, I can tell this is a really great quad you've got here. You can find where to pre-order this on their website, which is axisdrones.com. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I believe it comes out at the end of October, which is this month. So I would highly recommend getting this new world's smallest drone by Axis Drones. Thank you for watching.